How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then scroll down and find Snapchat and click on Snapchat. Now here you can see the microphone option. If you turn on this button and it cannot work properly, then go back and open general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find Snapchat. Now enter your Face ID or passcode to open your Snapchat. Now here you can offload your Snapchat and reinstall it. After install it, then go back and open your app store and search here Snapchat. And here you can see it will update or not. First of all, update your Snapchat. After update your Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.